Hello everyone, welcome to Cadd. This is Ansa. Today I am going to explain about Swift blend. For that I am going to architecture and components under model in place. In that casework, then OK. Here also OK. Already we done the extrusion, blend, revolve and sweep. In that have any doubts means you just check it my previous video. Today I am going to explain about Swift blend. Select the Swift blend. Here also we have two options, one is sketch path and one more is pick path. Now I am going to select pick path option. So select pick path. For example, I am going to select this one. Then give finish. Then select profile 1. And then edit profile. See, here one is hidden, one more is highlighted. Then select the rectangle. You just make your required designs. Here I just make the rectangular shape. Then give finish. And then select the profile 2 and then edit profile. Here also I will make just rectangle only. Then give finish. See, head model is ready. Wait, I will show you in realistic view. Realistic, see. This is the sweep. Okay. Then again go to create. Select the Swift blend. Here we have one more option, that is sketch path. Sketch path. For that I am going to select the set a work plane, pick a plane. Okay. For example, I need to extend above the building means set a work plane, pick a plane. As usual I am selecting the line command. I just make a straight line over here. Up to here I need. Then give finish. Then select profile 1. Wait, I set it at the wireframe. Select profile 1 and edit profile. Then select the rectangle command. Whatever your design required that you can make. For me, just need some simple design. So that's what I select the rectangle command. Make it your required design. Then give finish. And then select profile 2. Edit profile. So select the rectangular option. Here I just make the required design. Then give finish. Again we need to give the finish. Then check it in realistic view. Realistic. See, her model is ready. So this is the procedure for Swift blend. I think now you understand what is the Swift blend. So thank you for watching this session. Please press subscribe and press the bell icon to get the updated notifications.